Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take your lead generation game to the next level and make the most out of automation technique that I'm going to show you. Here I'm going to show you how you can seamlessly integrate Facebook lead ads tool with Hubspot in such a way that whenever you are going to generate a lead via Facebook, the same lead will be added as a contact and HubSpot CRM application. So guys, Facebook is a great place for generating leads and HubSpot CRM is a great tool for converting those leads. So this automation is going to help you a lot in growing your business. And the best part is you can set up this whole automation without any coding. So if you want to learn this automation, stay tuned. Let's begin. Guys, to set up the workflow of our automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And you can reach this page from the link in the description. From here, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. After signing up, you can sign in to reach the dashboard. From the dashboard, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name, guys. Now let me click on create button and here you can see the workflow page started loading up here, and on the workflow page you will find the basic building blocks of our automation, which are the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is that event which starts the workflow and the action is the automated response of the trigger. So there can be many automated actions for a particular kind of trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a lead from Facebook lead ads is going to trigger the workflow, and the action would be to add the lead as a contact in HubSpot. Okay. So when you click here, it will ask to choose your trigger application. So in our use case, the trigger application is Facebook lead ads. Okay. Select this. Okay. And the trigger event would be new lead. All right. After that, click on this connect button. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Facebook lead ads, and it might bring you to the login window if you are not logged in, but I have already logged in here in my Facebook lead ads, so it just got connected. Okay, so here it will ask you to select the page on which you are running Facebook lead ads, and then you have to select the lead ad form by which you are generating the leads. Then we are going to use Facebook lead ads testing tool to generate a dummy lead, and the data of that dummy lead will be captured here in this response of the work of the trigger, and after that we are going to move forward with the automation. Okay, so here guys, the page I am using here is this one. Let me show you. So guys, the page I am using is this one named as Pabbly. Okay, and I'm running Facebook lead ads on this page. So I'm going to select Pabbly first here in the page name field. Okay, this is Pabbly. Okay, then here it will ask you to select the lead ad form attached with the page. So here you can see, guys, it is showing make sure that the lead form is active and has at least one lead information, and here you can submit a dummy lead using Facebook test tool. Okay, so when you click on this Facebook test tool link, you will reach this Facebook lead ads testing tool. Okay, under developers.facebook.com you can find it. Here guys, you can select the page's name and the form lead ad form attached with this page. So the lead ad form I am using is this one, test lead form. Okay, and let me click on preview form so that you can see the form. Guys, this is the preview of the form you can see, and from here I can generate a test lead. So let me just fill in the details of a test lead. I am selecting the gender, the city, and let the first name of the test lead is test only and the last name is name. Okay, and here let me fill the email address. So guys, I have filled in some test details or dummy details, and here I'm clicking on next button, and then I'm clicking on submit, and a test lead has been generated. Now you can close this window and you can see it is showing your test lead has been sent. Okay, now guys, from here I am going to select the form which was test lead form. Okay, and click on save and send test request button, and you will get the details of the test lead that we have just generated in this response section. Here you can see guys, we have received the data and you can see the gender was female, city is Delhi, first name is Tess, last name is name. This is what I have filled here in the lead generation form and it got captured. Now guys, with the help of this data, I'm going to create a contact in HubSpot. For that to happen, I'm going to use this action window. Here I'm going to search for HubSpot CRM. So I have selected the CRM and I'm going to use the action event as create a contact. Then click on this connect button. From here select add new connection, then click on connect with HubSpot. Alright, so it will bring you to this window. Here it will ask you to connect with HubSpot. So from here select your account's name under HubSpot, then click on choose account. Alright, so you can see the authorization is successful and we are now connected. Right, and then it will show you these fields to create a contact. So from here you have to map the data from the trigger step. Okay, so if it is first asking to select the coaching institute, so I have created this account for a coaching business. According to business, it will show you the field here. So from here you can select your company's or organization's name in which you want to save the lead for. Then it will ask for all these things. If you have this data, you can fill it here or you can leave these things blank. These are not compulsory details. And here you can select the buying role, the member email, make the status of the lead as active or inactive. I am making it active. Okay. Then we have many fields. Then we have lead status. Here you can select the lead status as new or open or in progress. I'm making it in progress, let's say. Okay, then it will ask for all these things that you can fill. Here it is asking for the WhatsApp number, job function, marital status, and school, and all these things. Here it is asking for the first name and the last name. So let me fill in these details. Okay, so guys, here in these fields I'm going to map the data from the trigger window. So to map the data, you just have to click here on this field and the previous step will appear like this in the drop down, and when you click on it, you will find the data right here. So from here, I'm going to map the first name label. Then I'm going to map the last name label. Okay. And the email address. Then we have phone number, mobile number. Okay. Then we have street address, city details. I have city details. Okay, and I have gender details as well, which we can map in the previous fields. Here is the gender field. Let me map it. Okay, so I am done mapping the required data. Okay, now we can test the connection with HubSpot using a button here which is called save and send test request. So by clicking on save and send test request button, I can create a new contact here inside my HubSpot contact section. So let me just click on save and send test request and let's see if we got a new contact added in HubSpot or not. So this is the response I have received, guys. Let me show you the contacts section here and let me just refresh the contacts page. And here you can see, guys, I got a new contact added with the name as test name, and test@pabblytuts.com is the email address. And here you can see lead status in progress. These are the same things I have selected, guys, and mapped here inside these fields, and the same created in HubSpot. So our connection is working fine and we are done setting up this whole automation. And you have to set up this only once. After that, it is going to trigger or work automatically whenever you are going to generate a new lead in Facebook, and you will find the same lead in HubSpot automatically. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.